Hello everyone, welcome to Learn GK Everything YouTube channel. Question number 1. When was the first Vande Bharat Express launched? Answer 15 February 2019. Question number 2. Which type of train is Vande Bharat Express? Answer semi-high speed train. Question number 3. What is the manufacturing company of Vande Bharat Express? Answer ICF Chennai. Question number 4. Is Vande Bharat Express running all over India? Answer no. Question number 5. What material is used for the body of Vande Bharat Express? Answer stainless steel. Question number 6. What is the horsepower of Vande Bharat Express? Answer 12,000 HP. Question number 7. Which safety system is used in the Vande Bharat Express? Answer Kavach. Question number 8. What is the distance of longest route of Vande Bharat Express? Answer 881 km. Question number 9. Who flagged off the first Vande Bharat Express in India? Answer Narendra Modi. Question number 10. What was the first route of the Vande Bharat Express? Answer New Delhi to Varanasi. Question number 11. What is the maximum speed of Vande Bharat Express? Answer 160 km per hour. Question number 12. Vande Bharat Express is running in how many states and UTs? Answer 22 states and 2 UTs. Question number 13. India's 5 fastest trains are? Answer all of the above. Question number 14. Which is the longest route of Vande Bharat Express? Answer Ajni to Pune. Question number 15. In which two union territories is the Vande Bharat Express currently running? Answer Delhi and Jammu and Kashmir. Question number 16. How many Vande Bharat Express routes are currently operating in India? Answer 66. Question number 17. How many digits are there in a Vande Bharat Express train number? Answer 5 digits. Question number 18. What is the primary color scheme of the Vande Bharat Express? Answer white and blue. Question number 19. What is the special about Vande Bharat Express? Answer all of the above. Question number 20. How many Vande Bharat Express are running in India now? Answer 164. Question number 21. How many coaches does Vande Bharat train have depending on routes? Answer 8 or 16 or 20 coaches. Question number 22. What is the approximate manufacturing cost for Vande Bharat Express train? Answer 115 to 120 crore. Question number 23. What is the train number of the first Vande Bharat Express? Answer 22436/22435. Question number 24. What type of propulsion system is used in Vande Bharat Express? Answer electric engine. Question number 25. Which technology makes Vande Bharat Express faster and energy efficient? Answer distributed power technology. Question number 26. What is the turnaround time of Vande Bharat Express on short routes? Answer 5 to 6 hours. Question number 27. What is the length of a 16-coach Vande Bharat Express train? Answer 384 meters. Question number 28. What is the approximate weight of a 16-coach Vande Bharat Express train? Answer 392 tons. Question number 29. Which signaling system is used for high-speed operation in Vande Bharat Express? Answer ETCS level 2. Question number 30. What type of braking system is used in Vande Bharat Express? Answer regenerative braking. Thanks for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel.